Hello everyone, I'm Arifin. Here I will to explain the online application for the learning English. And here the application is BBC Learning. And then you can access this application in the Google because it is a website. Why the website? Why not the mobile application? Because BBC Learning stopped the mobile application in the 2023. I don't know why the specific for BBC Learning stop application in mobile. So now we can access this BBC this application in the website. Okay, in here, okay, so sorry. In here, the target user. Okay, the target user is the learner. Specifically is the intermediate, not the beginner, because this application is very not is very difficult but little difficult lah. Okay, and then we are going to the main feature. Okay, in the main feature have the key feature of the application. Okay, the key feature of the application is the video discussing the material and the quizzes. And then yeah, have a type of the skill. A type of the skill this application is include the listening, reading, vocabulary, and the grammar. Why I explain the reading? Because the application have the transcript of discussion video. Okay, and next is the how to use this application. Okay, now I will to give the step by step of the step by step we can use the application BBC Learning in the website. Okay, the first you can search in Google in your mobile phone, computer or the laptop. Okay, you can types of BBC Learning, and then in the top it is the website for the BBC Learning, and you can click. Yeah, this is the first display for the learning English BBC or BBC Learning. And here have in the home have the any menu for the menu material is a pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and extra. And then in here is the leveling for the course. Is the first is the easy, medium, and hard. And then in here is the topic for the you can learn what is the food, the feeling, emotion, and the environment, and the friends and the family, and extra. And then in the latest it is the latest for you can know what is the latest video, and you can download the video in here. And here it is the podcast. You can click podcast home. Yeah, this is podcast home or the podcast. Yeah, and then it is a more. Yeah, is the first is you can use BBC Learning to know what your level, and then it's have the quizzes, and then for the children, and then for the teachers. Okay, the first I will do click the material of the pronunciation, and then I will to click the pronunciation launch, and I click, and here this is the video for the material. The first, yeah, this is the first the media. It is the video, and then if you scroll down, yeah, this is the transcript, but transcript is summary is not all transcript, but you can know what is the summary in this video. Yeah, maybe it's a simple step by step for me lah. And then next is the benefit for the English learning. The first is the how the application support English learning. Okay, the BBC Learning support English learning by providing structured lesson that the focus on the key language components such as the grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening, but reading is not in here because yeah, reading is you can read what is the transcript, man. Okay, and then the platform use the authentic material, including the news report, audio program, video. Yeah, this is the which expose learner to real world English. Multimedia elements such as the video, podcast, and quizzes help the learner understand language use in the context and maintains enhancement. And then, in addition, learner can study flexibly according to their own pace and needs. Okay, is the number two is the advantage for the student in improving their language skill. Okay, this platform is the particularly effective in the improving listening skill due to the extensive exposure to native speaker audio with the natural speed and the accent. And then the vocabulary development is the enhanced through the contextual learning, while the grammar explanation help the learner understand sentence structure more clearly. BBC Learning English also encourages independent learning and the increased learner motivation through the varied and up-to-date content. Okay, next is the critical evaluation. Okay, the first is the strengths. I think the strength of the application is high quality and authentic content produced by the trusted international media organization. And then the platform is the free to access, by the way. You can access this application is free, everything free. And then making it inclusive for the learner from the different background. It offer a wide range of the topic and a learning format which is to accommodate a different learning style. And then the material is especially strong in the listening, vocabulary, and the grammar development. But this application have the limitation. Yeah, we have the strengths and we have the limitation. Okay, the limitation is the official mobile application has been discontinued in the 2023 and which made reduce convenience for the mobile learners. But we can use the website in Google. Okay, the platform provides limited interactive feedback and the personalization. Yeah, this application is limited the interactive feedback. So this is the limitation. And then the learner do not receive detailed correction or the guidance. In addition, there is the relative little focus on the productive skills such as the speaking and the writing, which are essential for the communicative competence. And next is the suitably for the different learner. Okay, BBC Learning English is most suitable for intermediate to advanced learner who already have a basic English knowledge. The beginner may find the material challenging without the additional guidance. So the platform is the ideal for the self-directed learners who are the motivated and the disciplined. It's also used for the teachers as a supplementary classroom resource and particularly for the listening activities and discussion-based learner. Okay, and last is the conclusion. Overall, BBC Learning is a valuable and reliable platform for the learning English. It is authentic content, multimedia approach, and the free access make it excellent supplementary learning tools. However, it is not a complete standalone solution due to limited speaking, writing, practice, and the personalized feedback. And then I recommended for the English learner. Yeah, BBC Learning English is highly recommended to improve listening skill and vocabulary and grammar, especially for the independent study. But for the beginner, yeah, maybe it's very little struggle. Okay, I think it's done for the assessment digital literacy. Uh, Thank you for the watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.